Good morning, first graders. Today we are on page 83 of your student journal, page 83. And our objective is today I will subtract by decomposing a number leading to a 10 using a number line. So today we're going to practice more of what we did in our last lesson. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary. Our first word is difference, and it says the solution to a subtraction problem. So here's a subtraction problem. Remember, our starting number is the minuend. What we subtract is our subtrahend, and our answer or solution is called our difference. Okay, so today we're going to use a number line, and we're going to start with our minuend, and then we're going to subtract our subtrahend, but instead of jumping straight 7, we're going to go to 10, and then how many jumps we need to finish our subtrahend. So yesterday I followed the steps. I'm going to follow them again today. I'm going to point to the minuend on the number line. I'm not only going to point, I'm actually going to circle the minuend on the number line. Then I'm going to get to 10, and how many jumps is that going to take me? And I'm going to record that part. Then I'm going to count on until you reach the subtrahend, and then circle the number you landed on. This is your difference. So yesterday we circled both of them. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to get started and show you what my problem looks like with my red pen. So if you want to just relax for a moment and watch. Okay, so my equation is 16 take away 8, or 16 subtract 8. Okay, so my minuend is 16. That's what I'm starting with. Okay, I know 16 is made up of 1 10 and 6 ones. That's what I know. So I'm going to take 16 and I'm going to jump all the way to 10. How many did I need to jump to get from 16 to 10? Well, because 16 is a 10 and 6 ones, I had to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can check those and count them again. But I had to go back 6. Okay, but boys and girls, the subtrahend says they don't want me to only go back 6. They want me to go back 8. So I only went 6, so I need to do 2 more. 7, 8. I need to go back 2 more, which means I total went back 8. So if I subtracted 8 from 16, what is my difference? My difference is 8. Okay, let's look at another one of those. This one, they've actually done the work for me. They want me to decide, it says, which expression best represents this number line. So what did they do here? Well, they started with 15. That was their minuend. But both of my choices start with 15. What did they subtract? Let's see, they went back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they first subtracted 5 to get to 10. You see how they got to 10? They didn't subtract 10, they subtracted 5 to get to 10. So I know that's wrong, boys and girls. After they subtracted 5, how many more did they subtract? 1, 2, 3, 4. They subtracted 4 more. So this would be my correct answer because they started with 15, then they subtracted 5, then they subtracted 4 more. They never subtracted 10 or 6. They got to 10 and they got to 6, but they didn't subtract those. Okay, so let's try some of these together, boys and girls. Today we're on page 84. We are on page 84, and here is our first problem. It says 14 subtract 8. Okay, so our minuend is 14. So let's find 14 on our number line, and it's right here. Okay, they want us first to go to 10. So we first jump to 10. How many did we have to go to get to 10? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we subtracted 4 to get to 10. Okay, and that makes sense, boys and girls, because 14 is made up of 1 10 and 4 ones. So it would take 4 ones to get back to 10. Okay, so, but they want us to subtract 8 total. Our subtrahend is 8, and we only subtracted 4. So we have to keep going. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we subtracted 4 more. Okay, so we subtracted 4, then 4 more for a total of, how many did we subtract total? 8, which is our subtrahend. And what is our difference? Where did we end up? We ended up at 6. So our difference is 6. Okay, let's look at our second one. Okay, this time it says, which expression best represents this number line? So they give us 2 choices. Okay, so let's look over here. Our minuend, our starting number is 16, and both of them have a 16. But what did they do? What did they subtract? Let's count these. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They subtracted 6 in that big jump. So here it says they subtracted 10 and they subtracted 6. No, they subtracted 6. They did not subtract 10. They ended up at 10, but they didn't subtract 10. What did they do next? They did another big jump. How many was that? 1, 2, 3. They subtracted 6, then they subtracted 3, which is right here. Again, they didn't subtract 7, they ended up at 7, so that's wrong. So this would be our correct answer, boys and girls. Okay, keep practicing these today and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.